Guys, it's Brian. Now I'm gonna show you another mod review. Yeah, it's called Lucky Block mod, and today let's go and review it. First, let's take off the safe mode and go to the world who had the lucky mode. Okay. First, you will need a gold block. Yeah, gold block. And a pickaxe. Here's my ladder board that lucky and unlucky block. Okay. Let's take a look at this. First, lucky block. Oh, I'm lucky. I got iron, sword, pickaxe, and shovel. So, let's proceed to the second one. Yay! Cool. I got a diamond. Wait, this is my official skin? Yeah. And let's take a look at the third one. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 9, 10. So this is the fourth lucky block. I wish this is not unlucky. What happened? Oh, spiders. Okay, let's kill them. Yeah. Yeah, I'll kill all spiders. Spiders. Oh yeah, you can kill me, spiders. You can kill me. You're so unlucky. Okay, our ladder board is 3 lucky blocks and 1 unlucky. So let's take a look at the 5th lucky block. Okay. Yes. 4 lucky blocks. 5 lucky blocks. 6 lucky blocks. Oh no. What the? Oh, you miss shit. You miss shit. Yeah, that's the second unlucky block. And let's take a look at the second of the last lucky block. Yes, another lucky block. Yes, so 3 unlucky block and 7 lucky block. Yeah, I'm so lucky. So I got 7 lucky block, 7 and 3 unlucky. So that's a good one. I got 7 lucky block and 3 unlucky. Okay guys, let's proceed to the tutorial mode. So launcher options, you download it like the download section. It's like this. You'll need to open it. In the first if you download it, it's like if you touch it like that, it will open and open the Block Launcher Pro. So, and it will be a import button and cancel. Just click the import. And by guys, I bought the Block Launcher Pro in a official application in the Google Play, and I pass it to my cousin like that, and he just deleted my Block Launcher Pro. So I re-download it in my Dropbox. So bye guys.